Hello, Joe Jepson here with some news from Sevier County. And I've got two things for you. There's closure on the Spur and when's the Buc-ee's in Kodak slash Sevierville going to open? The first story is that the park is having the Spur closed, which is the area between Pigeon Forge and Gatlinburg. It's still considered part of the national park. You leave Pigeon Forge, you go through the Spur, and then you're in Gatlinburg. They announced that traffic on the northbound spur will be reduced to one lane from January 3rd through April 7th to allow for tunnel repairs. Concrete barriers were replaced along the center line of the tunnel to allow crews to make repairs within the closed lane while allowing through traffic on the open lane. For the safety of workers, motorists are reminded to reduce speeds and refrain from honking when traveling through the construction zone, because everybody likes to go through the tunnel and honk. But I guess if you're a worker, that would be quite jarring. I would hope that people would slow down and not honk their horns while I'm trying to repair the tunnel. It looks like the closures will be in place 24 hours a day, 7 days a week during the construction period. The crews will replace drains, clean and paint the tunnel interior, replace sodium lights with new LED lights, install a new lighting control system on Husky Grove Road, and install a propane power generator for emergency backup. To prepare for the tunnel repairs, crews have begun staging equipment and installing infrastructure on Husky Grove Road earlier this month. I'm not exactly sure where that is, but that will be in place for a couple of months. And there's unofficial word on when the Buc-ee's in Sevierville is going to open, and everybody likes Buc-ee's and some beaver nuggets. And this is a video that I took a couple months ago. You can see here's Russell Stover's. There is a gas station with the crystals, hotel, and there's the Buc-ee sign, and that's where they have put the entrance. And you go through there. It's right next to the Wendy's and the fireworks store, and that will lead up to where the Buc-ee's is being built. And a tentative opening date, not official yet, of May of 2023, which we had thought it was going to be summer. I was going to guess late summer. And there are talks of a new exit. 407 is the current exit, and that can be quite congested. They're talking about exit 408 being planned. That still needs to be approved by the state. So that would be another entrance to get into Buc-ee's to avoid the main traffic of the 407 exit, because a lot of people don't know what's on this exit, because when you leave exit 407, there's a couple of gas stations. People don't know this is the way to Dollywood. This is the way to Gatlinburg and all the attractions. And here in a second, I think we can see for just a little bit, just barely, there's where Buc-ee's is located. And I'm guessing that would be approximately where exit 408 may go. So I appreciate you watching the video. Those are two news stories. And please subscribe if you like more news stories about the Smokies and the Sevier County, Pigeon Forge, Gatlinburg area.